So in order to do something like that, we need to include a new library called fstream or filestream. So this is a new library you gotta include in order to use that. So we make a variable for a file, which is upstream output file stream. And I just call it my file, or maybe you can call it results screen. Okay, results. You can also call it like that. But I just put something simple. But I do recommend you have something more descriptive than just my file. Then we have open the file. Like this is how you open it. So you use the file variable, which is called my file in this case. And then we use .open. And in parentheses, in quotes, you call it whatever you want, which like whatever file you want, and then the extension. I just called it output.txt, and I can go more in detail about how this can be customized too. And then we could have put string contents equal hello world, and then and here's the thing though, this is just like a cout statement. We have hello world like that. It's the same thing, just replace it with my file. And then you could just print out hello world. It's the same thing. You can use my file to print out hello world. And then you can close, and you must always remember to close the file at the end. So here's the thing here. Remember how to get to your file for Visual Studio. You right click this thing here, and then you click on this option, open folder in File Explorer. And from here, we could put output.txt over here, but you don't need to. It's going to create it for us. That's just how it works when you try to write to a file. If the file doesn't exist, it makes it for us. If it already exists, it overwrites it. So if we were to just run this code, you notice nothing got displayed on the console. But if you were to go over here, the file now appears, and it's hello world. Now let's just say we have something else written here. Close it, and you just rerun the code. It's back to hello world. It's back to the way we want it to display. And let's try showing a more, not something extremely complex, but let's try showing something that is a little bit more detailed for writing to a file.